At around 356 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius, a popcorn kernel transforms into a pressure chamber. Inside, its moisture trapped within the hard pericarp shell, the outer layer, starts to vaporize into steam. Starch molecules, tightly packed like coiled springs, begin to gelatinize as they absorb water. The steam has nowhere to go, and so it builds up massive pressure, up to 135 pounds per square inch. That's almost 9 times the air pressure of a car tire. Tiny pressure techs frantically brace for detonation. Cracks appear. Then, boom. This is popcorn's Big Bang. The pericarp bursts open, and the gelatinized starch expands rapidly, cooling instantly into the crispy, white foam we know as popcorn. Did you know? Each kernel's shape depends on how evenly it's heated. Mushroom shapes form in hot air poppers, while butterfly shapes are more common with oil. Popcorn can expand up to 40 times its original size. Popcorn's unique pop is because of its 14% water content. Just enough to create steam, but not enough to leak.